Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can create a PayPal account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for PayPal. Open the official website and you will see this type of interface. Now click on the sign up button at top right corner of your screen to start creating your account. Then select the preferred account type. The first thing it will ask you to enter will be your region, search for your country and proceed towards the next step. Enter your email address, then enter your mobile number and verify it to go to the next step. Now enter a password that has all of the required characteristics and then enter basic information like name and date of birth. Now enter the postal code, agree to the terms and conditions, and your account will be created. You can also add a credit card to your account if you like, or just skip this step. And that's how you can create a PayPal account. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.